Ladies and gentlemen, it's Montez McCamish from itsmontez.com. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. If you don't do that, you're not going to be able to keep up. Duh. It's Montez.com. Hello, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. It's Montez McCamish from itsmontez.com, and I have uploaded this video for you. It's a call to action video. They are actually quite expensive if you go buy them on Fiverr. I go to Fiverr. I use Fiverr quite often, but I was like, hey, why don't I just upload this call to action video where you all can use it whenever you do feel needed. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to rip the video and use this video for a call to action at the end of your YouTube videos. Call to action videos are very useful. I hope that this video brings you more traffic or more subs or whatever the case. Strip it. Use it. This is for you. Call to action video. Thank you so much. It's Montez McCamish from itsmontez.com. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. If you don't do that, you're not going to be able to keep up. Duh. It's Montez.com.